Hey guys! Are you want to buy best car cover for hail? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car cover for hail that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. This video sponsored by GlobalVisaCards.com. You can use their card for any secure online payment. Starting at Cars Cover Custom Fit Chevy Camaro Car Cover. Price-wise, this one hits the middle ground. It's slightly more expensive than what you've seen so far, but not exactly high-end. That's not the real reason why I picked it out, though. My favorite thing about this particular brand is that, in the sea of universal fits, it offers make and model specific car covers. Right out of the box, I could tell that the cover is well made and thicker than average, too, which is an instant indicator of how well it would perform in case of a hailstorm. Considering that it does boast a 5-layer construction, this shouldn't be too much of a shocker. To prove that this isn't your average, universal fitting cover, it even has dedicated pockets that align perfectly with your Chevy Camaro's mirrors. And since it provides such a snug fit, paired with tie-down straps and buckles, you can rest assured that it's not going anywhere, regardless of how windy it gets. However, considering its all-black design, I would have wished to see at least 1 or 2 reflective bands on it for safety purposes. Also, I was disappointed to learn that it's not entirely waterproof as advertised. The cover is water-resistant at best. Now our second product is Leader Accessories Universal Sedan Cover. Leader Accessories is one of those talked about brands in the car covers market, and since everyone seems to be happy with what they're getting for the money, I wanted to test one out myself. I get why I like it so much. It's surprisingly similar to the Oxgord cover construction-wise, starting with the 7 layers used in its design. The layer distribution is a bit different, with this one boasting 4 layers of spunbound polypropylene, a soft cotton lining, and 2 UV-resistant layers. But together, they help the car cover protect against hail, dust, bird droppings, and much more. The durability and strength of the materials used are worth the praise that they're getting. It's the breathability that blew me away, though. It's hard to find a cover that balances water repellent properties and air circulation with as much ease as this one. Plus, it comes with elastic hems for a snug fit and a strap and buckle tie-down system. With the straps hugging your car from the bottom, it's hard to imagine that windy conditions would be a problem. However, I'm not a fan of all the fuzz that the cotton lining leaves behind. Also, after seeing it get drenched in heavy rain, I can confirm that it's not waterproof. Our third product is Reliancer Car Tent Semi-Automatic Car Cover. While car umbrella tents aren't typically regarded as the best possible protection against hail, combined with the best car cover, a cover like this one can be an excellent choice for multifunctional, year-round protection. It keeps the car's interior temperature at acceptable levels during the summer and protects it from snow, frost, and ice in winter. The polyester fabric, which, by the way, is waterproof, is supported by a durable but flexible fiberglass frame. Even more so, there are several safety mechanisms to keep it in place, including soft TPU rubber suction cups, anti-theft, and windproof ropes with hooks for added stability. I know that it sounds complicated, but in reality, you can set everything up in less than a minute. Plus, it's semi-automatic. It takes about 8 seconds for the umbrella to open up, which is perfect for emergency hail protection. But much like your umbrella turning inside out if it catches wind, this cover is very wind sensitive. The not-so-strong suction cups don't help, either. Now number 4, Huey Car Windshield Snow Cover. Now, if your primary concern regarding hail is protecting the windshield glass on your car, then the previous option is a bit of overkill. What you should consider instead is this Huey Windshield Car Cover. Not only can it fit even the tightest of budgets, compared to full-blown car covers for hailstorms, but is designed to fit most cars and SUVs, too. Beyond the one-size-fits-all dimensions of the cover, it's nice to know that it does way more than merely protecting your windshield from hail. With the cover in place, you no longer have to spend every morning scraping frost, snow, and bird droppings off your windshield. Better yet, it blocks the sun and heat during the summer. With 4 layers total, this cover is waterproof, insulated and resistant to heat and cold, and most importantly, thick enough to protect against snow and ice damage. Plus, it has a bottom non-woven lining to prevent scratches. Moreover, it could not be easier to put it on. Slip the elastic bands over the mirrors, secure the flaps with the doors, and let the magnetic edges do their thing. When it's not in use, you can quickly fold it up and store it in the trunk. The magnets aren't as strong as expected, though. They don't always stick to the hood of the car in strong wind. And our last choice is Hail Protector car cover for sedan limousine. The most impressive part about this cover is its construction. It nails the balance between flexibility and impact resistance better than most car covers I've tested. It's like a giant impact-resistant blanket for your car. The 6mm thickness doesn't sound impressive, and the cover certainly doesn't look like much at first glance, but upon closer inspection, I found it to be insanely strong. And by that, I mean strong enough to protect your sedan from rain, snow, hail, and all sorts of extreme weather conditions. It's easy to put on, even easier to remove and store, and since it has anchoring straps, you don't have to worry about the wind blowing it away, either. However, it's designed to cover the top, trunk, windows, and hood of your car only, leaving the sides exposed. These parts aren't considered high-risk areas in hailstorm scenarios, but still, full coverage would have made this the perfect hail protector. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.